Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have a super useful video for you on how to easily calculate the price per unit of any product. This skill is not only valuable for consumers trying to save money on groceries, but also for business owners looking to price their products effectively. So, let's dive right in. The importance of calculating the price per unit. First, let's talk about the importance of calculating the price per unit. When you're shopping for groceries or other products, it can be difficult to determine which brand or package is the best value for your money. Different units of measurement and package sizes make it challenging to compare prices accurately. But that's where calculating the price per unit comes in handy. It allows you to easily compare the cost of products and make informed decisions. Example of comparing cereal prices. Let's take a look at an example. Say you're at the grocery store trying to decide between two different brands of cereal. One box costs $4.50 and has 12 ounces, while the other costs $5 and has 16 ounces. By calculating the price per unit, you can see that the first box costs 38 cents per ounce, while the second box costs 31 cents per ounce. So, the second box is actually the better value, even though it's more expensive. How to use the price per unit calculator. Now, let's learn how to use the price per unit calculator. You'll need to know the total price and total units of the product. Let's say you're comparing two brands of laundry detergent. One bottle costs $9.99 and has 50 ounces, while the other costs $12.99 and has 75 ounces. Enter the total price and total units into the calculator, and it'll tell you the price per unit of each product. In this example, the first bottle of detergent is 20 cents per ounce, and the second is 17 cents per ounce. So again, the more expensive bottle is actually the better value. Using the price per unit calculator in business. For business owners, calculating the price per unit is essential to pricing your products effectively. It helps you determine the profit margin and set competitive, profitable prices. Let's say you run a small business selling handmade candles. Each candle costs $3 to make, and you want to make a profit of $2 per candle. Using the price per unit calculator, you can find the right price for your candles. If you sell them for $7 each, the price per unit is $4. Subtracting the cost per unit of $3, you have a profit of $1 per candle. To reach your profit goal, increase the price to $8 each. Now, with a price per unit of $4.57 and a cost per unit of $3, you have a profit of $1.57 per candle, meeting your goals. Adjusting pricing strategy. Additionally, calculating the price per unit can help you adjust your pricing strategy based on changes in the cost of materials or production. By knowing the cost per unit, you can adjust the price of your products to maintain profitability. Conclusion. To sum it up, calculating the price per unit of any product is a valuable skill for both consumers and business owners. Using a price per unit calculator, you can easily compare the cost of products and make informed decisions. Recap. So, as a quick recap, remember that calculating the price per unit helps you compare products accurately and make informed decisions. Save money as a consumer by finding the best value for your money. Set competitive and profitable prices as a business owner. Adjust your pricing strategy based on changes in the cost of materials or production. Next time you're shopping or pricing your products, be sure to use the price per unit calculator to ensure you're making the best possible choices. That's all for today, folks. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel confident in calculating the price per unit for any product. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.